Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a Google Docs within your Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Google. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Go to the right hand top corner of the screen, click on Google Apps, make sure you are signed into the account. Let's go to Google Drive. And now, left top corner, My Drive, Create Google Docs, arrow, blank document. And now we can save this before we do anything. Go to Untitled Document, rename to Google Doc 1. And this has now been saved. Go back to your Google Drive and there we have the document Google Doc 1. Click on this. And so we are now ready to start editing. And so we can quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.